A fiber for the future, the growing trend of acacia fiber and the vital role of Vital Fiber 1. The world of nutrition is always evolving, with ever-emerging research that heralds the discovery of superfoods, reinterpretations of dietary habits, and novel ingredients beneficial for our health. One of these recent revelations that has caught the attention of health mavens worldwide is acacia fiber. At Vital Fiber 1, we have harnessed the power of this extraordinary type of dietary fiber for our patrons, eager to understand the complexities of a healthful diet. What is acacia fiber? Acacia fiber, also known as gum arabic, is derived from Acacia senegal, a tree native to parts of Africa, Australia, and India. Used as an additive in food for thousands of years, the health benefits of acacia fiber are gaining significant attention due to its high dietary fiber content, impact on gut health, and supportive role in weight management. Why is acacia fiber the fiber of the future? High in soluble fiber. Acacia fiber is predominantly soluble fiber, recognized for forming a gel-like substance when mixed with fluids. This gel slows digestion, helping to increase feelings of fullness and reduce overeating. Additionally, it assists in lowering cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol particles and expelling them from the body. Gut health guardian. Acacia fiber is a prebiotic, a type of dietary fiber that feeds the good bacteria in our gut. Regular consumption can substantially boost the number of beneficial gut flora, promoting optimal gut health. This, in turn, supports a strong immune system, as the majority of our immune cells are housed in our gut. Weight management ally. Acacia fiber can play an instrumental role in weight management. Its bulking effect, coupled with its ability to promote satiety, can help control calorie intake, leading to healthy weight management. How does Vital Fiber 1 harness the power of acacia fiber? Understanding the potential acacia fiber holds for human health, Vital Fiber 1 has crafted a superlative line of products enriched with this natural dietary fiber. Our products aim to create a harmonious balance between taste and function without any artificial additives, reinforcing our commitment to nourishing our customers' health. Vital Fiber 1 is thoughtfully engineered to be a readily consumable part of your everyday meals. Our range of products seamlessly incorporate acacia fiber, allowing our customers to conveniently and deliciously meet their daily dietary fiber requirements. How can you incorporate Vital Fiber 1 products in your diet? Vital Fiber 1 TM products offer a versatile way to incorporate this amazing dietary fiber into your diet. Easily infuse our fiber-rich products into your pancakes, smoothies, and yogurt, or simply sip it stirred into a glass of water or juice. Have fun with our products, and we promise a rewarding dietary experience. Discover tremendous benefits for wellness, nutrition, and life with acacia fiber. And let Vital Fiber 1 guide you in your journey towards optimal health. The future of nutritional fiber is here, and it's clear that acacia fiber is leading the way. Tune into this newfound trend and give your body the vital nutrition it craves. Never before has it been easier to incorporate the health benefits of acacia fiber into your diet. Thanks to Vital Fiber 1 TM. Be part of the future of wellness. Try it today.